Hello, I'm Addie's mom, and today I'm gonna be making one of my Addie's favorite breakfast, the sweet toast bread. So our ingredients today, you're gonna need the slice of bread, some brown sugar, butter, eggs, milk, a dash of salt, and of course you need some cinnamon powder. This breakfast is just so easy to do, and you can make it in just 10 to 15 minutes. And this is an ideal quick snack recipe breakfast, and if you are learning to cook, this is one of the best and easy toast recipes you can start with to develop your cooking skills. Yes, it's very easy. So the first thing we do is to prepare the egg mixture. Beat the eggs, milk, and sugar in a large bowl till the sugar dissolves in the mixture. And the butter you have to half melt it. Then after your mixture is done, you start to do the cooking. So you have to soak the bread slices in egg mixture. Soak the bread slices one by one in the mixture and coat them well. Next is fry the soaked bread slices. Place a fry pan over medium flame and add butter in it. Once the butter melts, put a soaked bread slice and fry it for a minute. Repeat with its bread slice. Flip and fry the other side of the bread slice. Repeat the process for all the bread slices. And you can garnish the sweet bread toast with maple syrup. And it's the fruits, the choices of fruits. You can have the fruits of your choices: blueberries, raspberries, blackberries. You can do that, but we can eat this one without even putting a syrup anymore because it's already sweet. The bread alone is already sweet, so you can eat it by just that without putting any maple syrup or any syrup. Okay, so that's it. You're done. You have a yummy breakfast for your kiddos.